Do you really think that you know how to wash your hair properly? Do you know if you should wash your hair with cold water or hot water? Do you know how much time do you have to put on your hair conditioner? I am sure you don't know the answers of all these questions. We have done the research, and we talked with 6 hair experts and found out that one of the major causes of hair loss and hair damage is that we are not washing our hair properly. In today's video, I will tell you the common hair mistakes we all make in hair washing, and you will learn the professional way to wash your hair. So, let's start! Hello my friends and welcome to our channel, My Simple Remedies. Today we're gonna talk about basic mistakes most people do when washing their hair. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel and never miss our content ever again. So let's begin. Hair washing mistake number 1. You are shampooing only once. So you keep applying shampoo until it starts to lather? This is not only a waste of product, but it also does unnecessary damage to your hair. The first time you shampoo your hair, you're getting rid of loose dirt and old product, and the shampoo will not produce much lather. The second shampoo will produce much more lather because you're starting with a cleaner scalp. So next time, try shampooing twice with less product instead of once with more. Check out the Remedies site for ideas on which shampoo to use. Mistake number 2. Applying shampoo and conditioner all over your hair. Shampoo and conditioner serve completely different purposes and therefore belong on different areas of your hair. Shampoo is your cleanser, so you only really need it on the areas that get dirty and grimy. If you have bangs, or if your hair is slightly oily on the top of your head or around the hairline, just shampoo those areas. That way, you have that great texture from it being slightly lived in, with those spots feeling oil-free. Conversely, conditioner belongs on the drier areas of your hair, that is, the mid-length of your hair to the ends. Mistake number 3. Scrubbing your scalp like a maniac. If the only reason you show up for a haircut is because you love the scalp massage during the rinse portion, you're in good company. But going ham on your scalp in the shower is not the same. Wet hair is weak and more prone to breaking, so be gentle when washing your own hair. Stroke your scalp from forehead to nape, on the sides and along the hairline, rather than rubbing aggressively. Plus, if you're too harsh, your scalp might overproduce oil, in the same way that super harsh scrubbing on your face can leave it feeling dry and tight, causing your skin to go into oil production overdrive. Hair mistake number 4. Your washing technique needs some fine-tuning. The fact is that a lot of people make this hair washing mistake. Most people apply shampoo to the roots and add more product as they wait for it to lather up. Remember that hair tend to be the dirtiest at the roots and drier towards the ends, so apply shampoo to the scalp and work your way down. And do not forget to be generous with a massage. Mistake number 5. Washing your hair every day. Washing your hair every day or every other day is considered to be not a very good hair care technique. Your hair's natural oils are there for a good reason. If you wash these off too quickly, you're not allowing your scalp to do its job. Hair oil is simply there to protect and moisturize your locks. When you wash your hair too regularly, you may notice that hair becoming more dry, brittle, and damaged. Your scalp will also start to produce more oils to replace lost ones, and you might end up with greasy roots pretty quickly. Mistake number 6. Shaking out your ponytail and hopping straight into the shower. I'm looking at you, dry shampoo devotees. Taking a few extra seconds to brush out your hair before you get in the shower will pay off once your hair is wet. It will help to loosen dirt, remove any stray hair, and untangle knots, says Nate Rosenkrantz, creative team stylist at Alterna Hair Care. Since you don't have the added weight of water in the hair, it will not put as much stress on the hair follicles, which means less breakage. Plus, it will make the oil and dirt that's built up, especially if you go on a few days between washing, easier to wash out. Mistake number 7. Using water that's way too hot. We know. Nothing feels better or more cathartic than a long, steamy shower. But while it feels good, it could be fading your ombre. Too hot water opens the hair cuticle, allowing keratin proteins, natural moisturizing factors, and color molecules to escape. So hair loses strength and the color fades. Even if you don't color your hair, hot water still does a number on it. When the hair cuticles are opened, hair tends to frizz. Cooler water keeps the hair cuticle sealed, so hair doesn't frizz and the color stays put. If you're not into taking a cold shower, even making it lukewarm is better than nothing. And finally, mistake number 8. You're not conditioning the right way. You must neither keep the conditioner on for too long or too less, and you do not need it on your scalp. Always ensure that you only condition your hair from your ears down. Leave it on for 5 minutes and then rinse off. Having it on for too long will leave hair residue, and too less will just not condition properly. So that's it for today. Did you like this video? If the answer is yes, push like and share with your friends. Also, do not forget to subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.